In the last episode of The Tropical Escape, we explored the best beaches in Sri Lanka, but now we take it to the next level and head over to paradise. In this episode, we show you around on the Maldives, go for scenic flights, snorkel, swim, and enjoy the sweet resort life. So, we arrived at the Maldives, and we are now taking a seaplane to get to our resort. So it seems like we arrived with our seaplane on the platform, and we are now getting picked up by a boat. Guess where we are? Oh my God, it's the Maldives. The Maldives is an archipelago, which is code for island chain, and basically, you have a few different kinds of islands here. You have uninhabited ones. You have local ones, which are Muslim culture, and that means women are covered up. No bikinis, no pork, no alcohol. But then you also have the resort islands, and that's a completely different story. And we just arrived at the Ari Atoll on the Ellaidhoo resort, which is famous for its reef. But first, let me show you the whole setting here. This is my room. Work desk, outdoor shower, terrace, pool bar, reef bar, and the ice bar, set on a private island. The Ellaidhoo Resort is a popular base for diving due to an incredible house reef and proximity to some of the most spectacular dive spots in the Maldives. The reef is so close that we decided to go snorkeling to check out the underwater wildlife. We got all the gear needed. Let's get under the sea. When in the Maldives, being active is cool, but don't forget the importance of relaxation. The sea water here is pretty warm. This is why we are heading to the pool now to cool down a bit. Our time here at the Ellaidhoo is over, but we're hopping to another island. Our seaplane will arrive over there, and we're in Dhonveli today. But first, we have drinks while waiting for plane, as you do on the Maldives. So, we're back in Mal, and now we're taking a speedboat to the next resort. While the Ellaidhoo Resort is all about snorkeling and diving, this Dhonveli Resort is all about surfing and swimming. Dhonveli is a small, beautiful tropical resort and surf island in the Kaafu Atoll. Just a 25-minute speedboat ride from the capital Male with the main airport, newly redeveloped. The resort is stylish and comfortable with a relaxed atmosphere, offering exclusive access to the classic Pasta Point surf break, which is known to be the most reliable mechanical wave in the Maldives. So, this time I'm staying in an apartment at the beach, but there are also these beach huts here. So, these water bungalows over here are the highest category you can get, but they also have probably the best view. These clear waters are probably the best reason to stay at one of these water bungalows, because you can see actually a lot of fish down here, and sometimes even manta rays if you're lucky. Besides surfing, Dhonveli is another great island to relax and charge up for new adventures. Well, that's a wrap on Dhonveli and how to finish this whole thing. I guess with nice sunset beer at the surf bar. Well, that was a little slice of paradise.